I am at the end of round 2 where I've done my chain 2, and now I'm going to turn my work. Remember, the chain 2 does not count as a stitch. Instructions for row 3 state place 2 herringbone half double crochets into the first stitch. So I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook, pull through. I'm going to pull through again to have 2 on my hook. Then I'm going to yarn over and pull through both. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing into that exact same stitch. Okay, now I've placed 2 herringbone half double crochets into the first stitch. Now I need to place a herringbone half double crochet into the next stitch. Now the instructions state to place 2 herringbone half double crochets, chain 2, and another 2 herringbone half double crochets into the next stitch. So there is 1, 2, chain 2, 1, and 2. So now in that single stitch, I've got 2 herringbone half double crochets, chain 2, and 2 herringbone half double crochets. Now the instructions state for the size small, I need a herringbone half double crochet into the next 13 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now, next I am to place a 2 herringbone half double crochets, chain 2, and 2 herringbone half double crochets into the next stitch. This is the beginning of my repeat. There's my 1, 2, chain 2, 1, and 2. So now I'm going to place a herringbone half double crochet in the next 13 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now I'm back to the beginning of my repeat for my second time. So I'm going to place 2 herringbone half double crochets, chain 2, 2 herringbone double crochets into this stitch right here. So there's 1, 2, chain 2, 1, and 2. Now I'm going to place a herringbone half double crochet in the next 13 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Okay, now the instructions state to place 2 herringbone half double crochets, chain 2, 2 herringbone half double crochets into the next stitch. This 1, 2, chain 2, 1, and 2. Now I'm going to place a herringbone half double crochet into the next stitch, which is right here. And then I'm going to place 2 herringbone half double crochets into this very last stitch. Then you're going to chain 2 and turn your work. What we've created now are the 4 corners of our cardigan, and we've also done an additional increase stitch to get the collar started. I hope that helps.